Good morning from Las Vegas. Steph and I are in town here for a few days. We don't have much planned, honestly, for Vegas, but we're just going to kind of show you kind of a day in the life vlog. There's Steph right there of Vegas. So we're just going to walk the strip. I know I definitely want to see how the volcano looks because they're kind of tearing it down, sadly, for the Hard Rock over at the Mirage. They're also setting up for the F1 race. So we're going to walk up and down the strip, probably grab some food, probably play some slots. Who knows what else may happen? It's Vegas, right? But with that being said, I'm off to get some breakfast. Join us for a day in Vegas. Here's a quick tour of the room. We'll have the full video up online. Bedroom is over there to your left. You got the couch, pool table, and we've been doing a little bit of editing this morning, so got the laptop out for editing. Tons of hydration, Gatorade, waters. You know, it's dry out in the desert, so it's important to stay hydrated, but it's just a nice room in here. And we had Earl's sandwich for breakfast. Earl's sandwich is always fantastic. And they're actually cleaning the windows right now. So they're right there about to come to our room next. But there's the look that we had for breakfast this morning. We have not been down in this little shop area in a while, but there's Giordano's, which is fantastic pizza. We've had it in Chicago plus here. There's a new hot chicken place, or newer to us. There's Old Red, Steph.
Yes, it is.
Last time.
One in Gallup.
Yeah, one in Gallup, one in Nashville. From where we're from, of course.
Yeah, there is.
And
I
then,
forgot about that one.
yeah, then last year they were actually just finishing up this building. I think we had an invitation to the grand opening from our casino. But there's Old Red now. That used to just be a walkway. They're also building another bar, looks like right there to the left, or some kind of bar or something similar to it. Old Red. And table, I think it's table 777. Is like the best table you can get, overlooking the strip and the fountains and everything. You have to request it. We're just walking through the strip over to Flamingo and eventually Harrah's. Probably get some fish and chips there in a little bit for lunch. Coming soon, fall 2024. Vanderpump. I love her dogs. I watched the show from Steph, but Pinkies by Vanderpump. No trip to Vegas is complete until you see the flamingos. Oh, that big fish right there. It's just always very peaceful to come back here at the Flamingo Hotel just to see the gardens and the flamingos. I mean, you're literally right in the middle of all the hotels in the middle of the desert. Looks like a little oasis back here. What's that, babe? Oh, it's just feeding the little ducks back over here. Look at them. I love the flamingos. This is also free, by the way. So you can just come to the Flamingo Hotel, don't have to pay anything to get in, of course, walk to the back, and the gardens are 100% free back here as well. They have a whole bunch of other like animals and different things you can walk and see, but we just want to come back here, look at the flamingos for a few minutes. We have made it over to the Link Promenade. Our next stop's going to be Gordon Ramsay Fish and Chips. This place is always fun time, especially at nighttime. It gets pretty crazy in here. We got our fish and chips. Underneath there is the dirty fries underneath it. But these fish and chips are some of our favorite of all time. We're over here in the Link Hotel just enjoying some TV while we eat our fish and chips. These fish and chips are absolutely out of this world fantastic. I know you've seen them in some of our other videos, especially Paris Cherokee too. But if you come to Vegas and you love fish and chips, get the Gordon Ramsay fish and chips. There's some other locations too, like Orlando's got one I believe too, and
Yeah.
Paris Cherokee, but
Yeah.
man, top notch.
And the Southwest Ranch is really good. I think Jeremy loves their tartar sauce.
Tartar sauce here is so
Yeah, and I also got the nasty old malt vinegar.
Their fries are top
But it's
notch
good.
too. We have made it over to the Mirage, and this is really sad to see. Straight down there where that bulldozer is where the volcano would have been, 100% gone. This right here would have been the old walkway coming up to the street right here by the street light. There's like a little bar or restaurant right there on the way in and everything. And there's the big dome for the big atrium that's so beautiful out there as well. But as you can see, very sad to see this stuff. It's all gone. And then where that bulldozer is down there where the volcano used to be, somewhere between there and like where we are here to our left is going to be the giant guitar. This is going to be a Hard Rock hotel. So there's going to be a huge guitar right here, just like they have down there. Was it Tampa stuff or no, Miami, just like that. But just want to show you all that. So there it is. Look at it, all sadly destroyed. One of the most unique escalators ever. It's here at the Forum Shops. You see this kind of spiral upward, but it's literally just a big spiral. This place is just so awesome. I saw it. So neat. I think the Planet Hollywood closed here too from what we read online. You can see a Planet Hollywood on the 3rd floor here. And the restaurant, yeah, the 3rd floor Planet Hollywood restaurant is now closed. which would be way up there somewhere. Actually, see that little red or purple signage right there? I think I was right up in that area. We're gonna head on down to the Neptune's fountain area, which we haven't seen. Well, we've seen the fountain recently, maybe last year, but then we have not seen the aquarium back behind it in a long time. I don't remember this place ever before, but it's called Gentle Monster. This is weird and stuff. Looks like it's a sunglass shop. Look at these big heads they have. I don't know exactly what the big head place was. It's kind of creepy one and stuff.
That's actually really good.
Yeah, it was. It almost looked like a sunglass shop, but not 100% sure. But we are making our way to the shots. Plus, we've been here a few dozen times, right, Steph? Got our Starbucks in our hand too, so it's hot out in Vegas today. It was like 97 yesterday, in the mid 90s right now. So we're trying to cut through the inside and see some of the stuff we haven't seen in a while. But home shops are always pretty awesome here. I'm sure everybody at this point has seen videos or been here before and seen this, but we love coming through here. I think Planet Hollywood has their shops similar to this. There's also a little bit of the Paris Hotel that has it, but this is by far the biggest. But it's just like you're walking, you know, outside. Remember the one over in Planet Hollywood? Their circle shops had water coming from the ceiling at one point?
Yeah.
That was many years ago. I think they stopped the water, but it had like a little rainstorm inside that you could walk past. I just love all these clouds and everything. It's really nice in here. We've all seen puffy jackets, but have you seen the super puff? Steph, we need to get those.
I need to get one of those for a coworker.
Those are so cool.
Always cold.
I would just totally sleep in that thing. That's so awesome. Louis Vuittons, where we can get into trouble in it, Steph.
Yes.
Steph has several Louis Vuittons now. But
little baby one.
that's cool.
I have the Azure.
I love that flamingo too. Louis Vuitton, Voyage, Paris. That's really nice. Should I go in, Steph, and get you over here? You have too many as it is. Oh yeah, I forgot they had two of them here. That one's also got the flamingo. This is the Fountain of the Gods right here. And then straight down back to the right is the little aquarium that we're talking about. Which this one we've walked past many times. But in the back, we never walked back there much. Look at the sun setting up there too, almost. Wow. Yeah. That's one of our favorite slot machines, wasn't it? That Gucci store looks really nice, doesn't it? The red, the gray, and everything. I'll look above too, the Louis Vuitton windows. Always pays to look up for sure. There's no shows this week for the fountain show up here in the front, but the aquarium around back is always open. So I was thinking like, we haven't been back to this part since 2010. Might as well walk back here for a few minutes and see what's back here. It looks exactly the same, doesn't it, Steph? So really cool. There's a stingray. Can we go in the Nike store stuff? I need some new shoes.
New shoes on your feet.
Huh. Those are semi-new. They've been worn now. Oh, that big fish right there. Alright, we're gonna head over to Caesars and maybe play some slot machines. That's the aquarium look up there too, all the video screens. Very cool. You can never have too many pairs of Nikes for sale. Don't know if I'm gonna buy any today, but I'm just gonna check it out and see if they have. But oh man, this is everything in a step.
Yeah, there's a lot.
We found Stitch. He was over by Harrah's earlier. We're coming down the escalators right now. There's Bellagio, Caesar's Palace is right back behind us. Horns honking, which is normal for Vegas. And then it's a giant Stitch too, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's huge. There you go, turn back around. That's so cool. We're playing some Crazy Rich Asians, one of my favorite games here at the casino. And we're in a bonus round right now, but it's not doing too well for us. There we go, a little bit right there. It's the quadruple up right now. $32.46 on that spin.
Jeremy has been chasing this bonus for years. He has never been able to get it.
It's not doing very good either, is it?
No.
There we go, come on, keep it going, keep it going. Don't need the power up now, though.
Yeah.
Keep
It's going, it's connecting. Come on, you got it right there. Oh.
After years of chasing, I got it, and I won $86. The bet is $7.50, by the way, so y'all know why we're laughing. Years and years and years, and here it is. Heading over to the Cosmo, one of our favorite places here. Even though we don't want to stay at Harris properties or Caesar's properties due to our comps. But there's the beautiful strip at nighttime. How are ya? All the traffic down below. Monday night here was super busy, but it's calmed down quite a bit here. Crossing over. I was just saying it's calmed down quite a bit since Monday, hadn't it, Steph?
Oh, goodness. It was crazy on Monday. I guess it was a holiday.
Maybe, yeah. Monday was insane here. There's Paris, where we normally stay at.
It feels great.
I think Cosmo's MGM now, too, isn't it?
Is it?
I think so. We play MGM Rewards, too. Walking through Cosmo to get some food. We'll probably do some gaming here, too. Look at those cool chairs and tables. It's like Easter Bunny. That's right outside the egg restaurant here. Look at the big rabbit.
The egg restaurant, Jerry.
We won't mention the egg restaurant. Look at the big rabbit, though.
That's cool.
Hot sandwiches. Sounds amazing. Hattie B's. There's sushi place over here. And we got Hattie B's in Nashville. We may go there while we're here, too. It's such a good place for hot chicken. This is such a cool little food court area here. And there's the hot sandwiches place. We can't decide yet what to get, but we'll figure it out here in a second. We went with Lardo hot sandwiches. We got the birria grilled cheese, has the consomme with it. And these are like their dirty fries. Got peppers. They got like, was it pork renderings or pork scraps in them and everything. But look at that. Oh my goodness, this is some serious food right here.
Jeremy,
Yeah,
how's that consomme?
the whole thing is bussin'. Or lit, whatever they call it. This is one of my favorite things I've ever had it in Vegas, period, ever.
This consomme, it said chili consomme.
That's my favorite consomme I've ever
I've
had.
never seen that. It's delicious.
And this is better than the grilled cheese or your Nashville's birria. This is amazing.
Blasphemy.
Now the fries are good. The fries are good, but I've had some better fries. It's really a combination of the fries, the pork and or the whatever the shreds, whatever's in there. The peppers,
pork scraps.
with that consomme grilled cheese.
That's good. This is the best.
Went away from $158,000. Boom, nothing. Well, we gotta want something, but not 158,000. Yeah, boom.
Thanks.
Another little bonus round here, and we got, what do we get this time? $237.50. We call it the tail end of the Bellagio fountain show. That tower right there behind the Eiffel Tower, or that building behind the Eiffel Tower is our room. That's the new tower for the Paris, the Versailles Tower. Of course, there's the Bellagio right over there.
It's crazy busy.
Yeah, it is. One of our favorite things to do every time that we're in Vegas is stop by the Bellagio Conservatory. And it's breathtaking this year. The smells, the sounds, and yes, it is always very crowded in here, but it's just absolutely amazing. We have lots of water features this year and fog and trying to work our way through the crowds here. Got the big flocks. And this treehouse feature over here is simply amazing. With the waterfall coming down from the treehouse. And that's one of the tables right there you can actually eat at. Every year they do something around the table right there. And you can book that. Usually for brunch is what it is. But you can have brunch inside there. But, oh, the flickering lights and the water is falling down.
Sorry, I thought you were
Try to work my way over here. Show you real quick. This is breathtaking in here. So that was the Bellagio Conservatory. What'd you think, Steph?
Oh, it was good. I loved it. I love the little fairies in the cottage. It was really pretty.
Yeah, it was another amazing year for that. The smells, the views, the sounds. I could just spend the entire night in there. We'll go ahead and call it a day here. It's already 10 o'clock at night. Somehow it got away with us. So some slots and some painting and some other things. And maybe if we may go see the Spirit tonight if we get our car out of valet in time. So we may put some bonus footage in after this. But with that being said, thank you for joining us for a day in Vegas. And the nerds are
Out.
If y'all have not seen it yet, there's a giant sphere in Vegas. We have a good front row seat here on a back road, and it is amazing. Oh, time for Oka. This is the ad that keeps showing in between all the cool things there. The eyeball.
I feel like somebody's looking at me.
I always feel like
Somebody's watching me.
it is. It's an eyeball.